all my wonderful sixth graders. I'm just here to help you with your review and help you with your first quiz in my sixth grade math class. So you have a review sheet with 5 questions. I'm going to talk about them to help you be more successful on your first review, since it is worth twice as many points as any other homework assignment, and you are expected to get the answers right since I am helping you with it. Number 1 says list the factors of 16. So we have to think about the numbers that when we multiply them together, they make 16. So you have 1 and 16, and you have 2 and 8, and then you have 4 times 4. So the factors would be 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Remember, 16 is not considered a proper factor. So if the quiz were to ask you for proper factors of 16, you would give the same answer, except for you would leave 16 off of that list. Number 2 says, what is a prime number, and give an example. Remember, a prime number is a number that the only way you can multiply to get it would be itself times 1. For example, 13. There's no two numbers I can multiply together. 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 6 is 12. So none of those make 13. That makes it a prime number. The only way to get there is 1 times 13. 4 says, what is a multiple, and give examples. Remember, a multiple is all of the numbers that when you multiply that number times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4. So for instance, if I were to ask you for the multiples of 7, you would say 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 5 is 35, and so on and so forth. What is a square number, and give an example. Remember, square numbers we talked about is when a number is multiplied times itself. For instance, if we have 10, a perfect square of 10 would be 10 times 10, which is 100. Remember, it's represented with this little exponent of a 2. The other examples of square numbers would be 25, because 5 times 5 is 25. Another example of a square number might be 64, because 8 times 8 is 64. I hope this video was helpful, and good luck on your first quiz.